Students, now in this class we are going to discuss fuel injection system. Okay, so fuel injection system in CI engine. First we are going to discuss CI engines. CI engines. Okay. So far we have discussed what is carburation, what is carburetor, air fuel requirement for the different conditions, and we have seen a schematic diagram of simple carburetor also. Now second portion of this chapter is carburation, fuel injection and ignition. Okay, so second part is fuel injection system in CI engine. We know in CI engine, remember, air and only air is sucked during compression stroke. That is, air and only air is sucked during suction stroke. Okay, not compression. So during suction stroke. During suction stroke, and fuel comes at the end of compression stroke. By the help of fuel pump actually. Okay, so not like SI engine, mixture of air and fuels come to the cylinder in the suction stroke itself. In CI engine, air and only air is sucked during the suction stroke. Fuel comes at the end of compression stroke by the help of fuel pump. So fuel has to come in the cylinder as per the load and speed of the engine. Okay, speed of engine. So now next topic is what are the requirements of fuel injection system. Okay, that is very, very important. This is very, very important from the examination point of view. Okay, so what are the requirements for the fuel injection system? That we are going to discuss today. Now see, first of all, this fuel system should atomize into fine particles. Otherwise it cannot be mixed up. Okay, so it should atomize, and the pressure here is very high. So due to high pressure, fuel system atomization is easy and it will break up into fine particles. So that is the first requirement. Okay, second requirement, it should release amount of heat during combustion. Okay, second is fuel injection. See, it should be reached while starting or accelerating. Okay, this fuel injection system should produce maximum power. It should produce maximum power at minimum fuel consumption. This is very, very important point. Okay, this point is important. There are so many other points also. Now, it should ensure equal amount of fuel in all cylinders. It should ensure equal amount of fuel in all cylinders. Okay, so what are the requirements? Fuel system should atomize into fine particles. It should release amount of heat during the combustion. It should be rich while starting or accelerating. It should produce maximum power at minimum. It should produce maximum power at minimum fuel consumption. It should ensure equal amount of fuel in all the cylinders. So these are the requirement fuel injection system. What are the requirement of fuel injection system? There should be fuel system should atomize so that it will break up into fine particle. It should mix up. That mixing should be proper. Mixing with air should be proper. Okay, that is also requirement. It should release good amount of heat during the combustion. It should be rich while starting or accelerating. It should produce maximum power at minimum fuel consumption. Another requirement is it should ensure equal amount of fuel in all the cylinder. See, suppose it is single cylinder, then it is all the fuel is going in one cylinder. If it is multi-cylinder, then equal amount of fuel should reach in all the cylinders. Okay, mixing with air should be proper also. So these are the requirement of the fuel injection system. Okay, so in this class we are discussing about the fuel injection system in CI engine. See, CI engines means air and only air is sucked during the suction stroke. Fuel comes at the end of compression stroke by the help of fuel pump. Here we are going to use the pump. Okay, so pump creates pressures. So this fuel injection system in CI engine, as per load and speed of the engines, okay, it should be as per load and speed of the engine. So requirement of fuel injection system is fuel system should atomize into fine particles. It should release equal amount of heat during the combustion. It should be rich while starting and accelerating. It should produce maximum power at minimum fuel consumption. It should ensure equal amount of fuel in all the cylinders. Mixing with air should be proper. Okay, rest of the thing I will discuss in next class. Thank you.